Pretty flower, pretty rose, pretty highs, pretty lows, pretty friends, pretty foes.
Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl Mocha, and I'm back at it again with another video. And today we are doing Entrepreneur Life episode 11. I can't do that, but episode 11. Okay, I might look a little tired because I've been working like all day, and I was up working like late last night trying to fill all these orders, but yeah, but I had to get a new video out for you guys because, like I said, back-to-back uploads all summer 2019. Okay, well, today I am showing you guys how to find vendors. Yes, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to find any type of vendors you guys need: clothing, hair, eyelashes, anything, slides, everything, you guys. So if you want to see how to find your own vendors, then keep watching. Alright guys, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to find vendors. The first thing I do is go on Alibaba.com. Alibaba.com is just like a wholesale website. They have really virtually anything that you would be looking for on this website. But right now, I'm just going to look up... Oh, and everyone's pretty much from China, from India, from international. So I'm looking up mink eyelashes. You can go on here, literally look up whatever you're looking for: clothes, eyelashes, hair, anything. So here I'm just scrolling down looking at a few, and this one caught my eye. So this is a vendor. It looks pretty good. They have their own custom packaging as well as mink lashes. It says that they range from 50 cents to 80 cents each. Now, keep in mind, these are regular mink lashes, 25 mm, usually range from $3 to $5. So, yeah, keep that in mind. They actually have a pretty good rating. Their details are very extensive, which is what you want to look for. And right here, it's basically telling you how the eyelashes are cruelty-free, so you might want to look out for this. The hair is gathered from little baby minks rather than, you know, cruelly taken away from adult minks. The baby mink's hair sheds and they just pick it up. Now here's a bunch of the packaging that they offer. You guys can literally choose any one of these boxes. You can get them customized, make your own design, and they'll print that all on there for you. You can even choose your own glitter color and all of that. Now I'm just scrolling down their details. You want to read thoroughly through their information, you know, just to see where they're located, who they've worked for, stuff like that. Now, this is the Recommendeds tab. On this tab, it shows you more things from the same seller, but also shows you things from other sellers that are similar. So this one caught my eye right here. These actually look like 25 millimeter lashes. As you see, this one goes all the way up to the price of $4.30. My phone's going a little slow here. But yeah, so this is just another vendor. I'm looking at the pictures, seeing if it looks good. Scrolling down to the details again. Looking at how the hair is gathered. It has that same little diagram. Shows you the custom boxes, where they're located, and stuff like that. And it also shows how many transactions they've had in the past. So those are eyelashes. Now I'm gonna go back and search up clothing. I'm gonna show you guys some clothing vendors. We're gonna do bodysuits in particular. So right here, I'm just searching up bodysuits. Like I said, when you're looking for vendors on Alibaba, you can search up anything, literally anything you want to sell. You can search custom necklaces, you can search slides, you can search clothing, jeans, anything like that. Purses, they have everything. So right now, I'm just looking for a bodysuit that's trendy right now, because they also have a lot of the same things that you see a lot of other sellers selling and things you see on Fashion Nova, guys. So make sure you do your research. It's going to take time. So I found these bodysuits right here. The MOQ is about 100, but these are super, super trendy right now, especially with the lime green and the neon orange colors. It's super trendy. and they're pretty much about $5 per piece. And I'm just going down looking at the overview, how many transactions they've had. If the number is high, that's great. If their response rate is high in the 90s, that's great. That means they have lots of customers and they're gonna respond to you in a pretty quick manner. So I'm just going down the details again, looking at their corporation, looking at their information, where they're located, everything like that. Now, if you want to start an inquiry with this item, all you have to do is click Start Inquiry. They have a little message that's already drawn up. You just go ahead and click Send, and it'll send that straight over to the vendor, and then they'll start a conversation with you, and you can start talking to them, ordering samples, looking at pictures, whatever you might want to do. And also keep in mind that a lot of vendors do, like I said, live in China or overseas in other areas, so the timing is different. So please pay mind to the timing when you're messaging them. It'll be easier to message them later in the day, around 6 p.m. and on, even early in the morning, like 1 to 2 a.m. But here I'm just looking to see if I see anything else that's trendy, and I found these. And keep in mind, you can also put your logo. You can put your logo on any of these items. Most of the vendors offer private labeling. You just tell them what you want to write on it. You can put a word. I've seen some with like hot on it, anything like that. You can just add on it embroidered or whatever. So basically, like I said, you just go search for whatever you need. They have literally everything, but it does take time. Make sure you go through, you look at their details, you look at their transaction rates, you look at their response rates, you talk to them, you look at pictures, you ask for samples. Samples are usually free, you just have to pay shipping. Just to test out your lashes, test out the clothing quality, test out the hair quality, everything like that. So here I'm just looking at some more in the recommendeds. And if you guys notice, I'm clicking like everything lime green because that's literally the trend this summer. Like lime green is the main trend and they have it all on here. So I'm just going to go down and click this right here. And yeah, basically that's about it. You message them, send your inquiries, and get to shopping. Now we're going to go ahead and move on to Instagram vendors. This is another place you can find some. I'm just going to my hashtags on my post and clicking mink lashes. So this is a mink lashes hashtag, and literally the first video I click is a mink lash vendor. This is a mink lash vendor on Instagram. They have tons of pictures of their custom cases, of their lashes, of everything they sell. You can communicate with them through DM and then again through WhatsApp. Just ask for their WhatsApp number. It's the same way. Everything goes the same way. You talk to them, you ask for samples, you pay for the shipping for your samples, see if you like the product, and if so, you place your order. Always pay attention to minimum order quantities. That's the minimum that you can order. If you're starting out, just order around 20 to 25 pieces, things like that, depending on what you're selling. But I'm going to go to another eyelash vendor. Here's another one, just scrolling down twice. And always make sure that their following is lower than their followers. If their following is higher than their followers, it's most likely to be a spam page or a scam. So you need to be careful, thoroughly do your research, thoroughly talk to these vendors, and make sure that they have everything that you need. And these lashes are bomb. Like, they're very pretty. Now we're going to be looking at packaging vendors, and the best packaging vendor, not for like eyelash boxes and stuff like that, but for your mailers, for your baggies, for your boxes. This site has it all. It is called papermart.com. It is also another wholesale site, so they literally have metallic bubble mailers. They have all different colors. They have like literally any color that fits your brand. You just go and they have different sizes. You can buy a lot or you can buy like 25. They have these little organza bags you can put your products in when you're shipping. They have all different colors of these as well. Like I said, any color to match your brand. And remember, you guys, your products are everything, but your packaging is also everything. Make sure you send out super cute packages for people to want to order from you again. Now these right here are the boxes that I'm planning on getting. I'm planning on getting them with my logo. They're just colorful boxes that fold upwards and fold outwards for your customers, for when you're shipping, and everything looks really, really cute because they're colorful. They fold, they're sturdy, and they're great for shipping. This is just a little video showing like how they fold out. It looks like this, and you know, she's just getting her stuff and putting it in there. But yeah, that is pretty much it for all of the vendors. Y'all do your research and find these vendors and start that business, sis. Start that business, okay? Because it's not that hard. Alright guys, so that is pretty much all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope y'all learned some insightful information. And like I said, start that business, sis. Because time waits for no one, okay? Sorry if my hair look a little rusty. I'm about to get it done. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you'll get a notification when your girl posts again. All right, bye.